everyone, I got the MacDev drone here and I'm going to be doing a quick overview video for it. Just to show you what comes inside the case and give you some nice close-up shots of the gun itself. Now inside the case, which is actually a pretty nice case, you get a Allen key set, a full color manual, some spare O-rings, a barrel sleeve, and of course the drone itself. The drone is this bull valve gun and it retails for about $550. You get a two-piece 14-inch barrel that's auto-cocker thread. You also get a toolless clamping feed neck, an on-off ASA with purge capabilities, so you can bleed out the air inside the line, and a regulator. Kind of like the standard set that you expect at this point for a gun that's worth $550. The trigger is adjustable in 3 different ways. You can adjust the trigger stop, the activation point, and the spring tension. Another cool thing about this gun is the way you would adjust the ASA. On other guns you would have to open up the grip frame just to access the set screw inside, but on the MacDev drone you can access the set screw through this little hole on the back of the grip frame right here. Alright, so that's the MacDev drone. You can expect a full review sometime in the future from Social Paintball.
Twist the tongue, make everybody cheer. Breathe the moon, inhale the light year. Who's the goons that's ready to fight beers in the booth?